Hello children, hoping you all are fine at home. Home, stay safe. So today I am here to teach you something about science. I am Rukshar, your science teacher, going to teach you about food. Food is the basic requirement of all the living creatures. Without food, nobody can survive. Neither plants nor animals, everyone of us, we need food to live. So food is the basic requirement of all the animals and including human beings. Now the question arises, why do we need food? We need food because it helps us to grow. It helps us to stay healthy, fit and fine. It also helps us to fight against diseases. If we want to fight against diseases, then what we need to do is we need to eat healthy food. Without food, we cannot stay healthy. So it's definitely a requirement for all the living things to have food. Foodstuffs which we eat contains nutrients in them. Now what are these nutrients? Nutrients are the substances, or you can say they are the things which are present in our food which provides us with energy that helps us to do our daily activities. For example, walking, jumping, standing, sitting, brushing our teeth, speaking, talking, etc. etc. So these are the things we are able to do just because of the energy provided from the nutrients. Apart from this, nutrients also help us to grow. It keeps our body healthy by fighting against the diseases. Whatever diseases attack us, it is the nutrients present in the food that fight and keep us healthy. Therefore, it is very much essential to eat a variety of food. When we eat a variety of food, then we get different types of nutrients and we stay healthy, we get energy and it helps us to grow well. So let's see the slide. Now children, we will read about the different types of nutrients. The body also needs different types of nutrients so that our body will work out properly. So basically we need 5 different types of nutrients. They are our carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the basic 5 nutrients which are required for our body to grow, to get energy. These nutrients are very essential. Besides these 5 nutrients, we also need water and roughage in our food. Water and roughage are very important to us. So we will be discussing one by one about all these different types of nutrients. Children, let's have a discussion on carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are the nutrients, or you can say they are also known as the energy giving nutrient. Why they are called so? They are called so just because they provide our body with energy. They provide our body with quick energy. By eating carbohydrate or by including carbohydrate in our food, then our body gets energy. So we need to eat carbohydrates in our food. Now, sugar and starch are the 2 different types of carbohydrate. The sugar which we are eating and the starchy food which we are eating. Starchy food, take for example potato, corn. These are the starchy foods. They contain carbohydrates in them, so we should have them in our diet. Now, let me tell you about some of the sources of carbohydrate. Rice, wheat, maize, bananas, potatoes, then our sugary foods. These all substances are main sources of carbohydrates. Now, sugary food are like the food items which contain sugar in them, or directly when we are eating sugar, that is what containing more amount of carbohydrates. Okay, so these are the major sources of carbohydrates. Now, children of your age, or those who are doing a lot of physical work, or you can say they are the laborers, what they do is they need lots of energy. Even children like though you people are every time jumping, dancing, moving here and there, you are quite active throughout the day. So to keep yourself active throughout the day, what you basically need is carbohydrates, because carbohydrates provide your body with the quick energy which helps your body to remain fit and active throughout the day. Similarly, those who are doing physical work, they also need more amount of carbohydrate, because they also need to remain active throughout the day. So basically, carbohydrates are called as energy giving nutrients because they provide our body with quick energy. And rice, wheat, maize, corns, bananas, potatoes, these are some of the rich sources of carbohydrates. So thank you, children. Thank you so much for watching the video. Until next time, stay safe, stay at home.